all the asphalt's gone. Today when the contractors came, this little ditch here, I guess, was the original stone foundation. So there's some stones, and here's some stone. I didn't see that. I mean, there's not a whole lot I could have done when I was breaking up the floor, but, you know, could have done something, help them out or whatever. But anyway, so making some additional progress today. Got a couple of the footings dug, or the holes for the footings. 42 inches. It's like a fucking well. One over here. These are all dug by hand. It's crazy. Another one here. So plan is finish up digging for the rest of the footings. We'll get some gravel in here. We'll do the footings, do the wire mesh, and then we can do some concrete. Then we will have a concrete floor in, I don't know what, 130-year-old barn. So, quick update. This will go in the big video. So into the day today, those are all the stones. They made up a portion of the foundation, as well as when they were digging for the footings. And then that is dirt from the floor. So the amount of dirt that came out of here is so. Oh, the stone's in, but we'll get there. So that concrete wall where you see that portion down there, that's where the floor was. So they dug out, I don't know, what is that, 12 inches of actual floor. So the building looks so much higher. Now obviously that's gonna compensate a little in there when you do the concrete. But it's coming along. So right now they jacked up the building a little bit more. It was moving a little bit. So this will be for overnight. Here's where we're gonna have some curb. Help with some water drainage. There's gonna be a footing. Another footing over here. Another footing over here. This is the original stone foundation. I'm not exactly sure what they're doing here, but that will be another footing down there. And then the final. So we're in a good spot. I mean, the stone came today. You might have seen that in the previous portion of the video, but that was really cool. Looked like 5 minutes, they just dropped. I'm using the cat to get all the dirt out. As I said, they lifted up the building a little bit more, so that is a little higher than it was. But I mean, with the floor, with all the material they removed, I mean that just makes so much bigger difference. And hopefully we're a little bit closer than we were to level and plumb than we had been. I mean, they did a good job the first time. I can only imagine they did even better job now with more being out of here and it being a little bit more level from the get-go. So, yeah, AJD Builders, doing awesome. Footings are poured and solid. Sorry, it's early here, so there you go. So use these molds. I mean, they basically use 2x4s to make a mold. That's pretty freaking cool. One over here. So today, I believe, I'm gonna drop some wire prior to the mason coming. They might be doing the post, so obviously they'll do post here, the post here, and wherever the footings are. I'll show you everyone. Loose. That's Lucy. Demon eyes. Yeah, so that it's coming along. I mean, once the floor's in here, it'll really start to take shape. And then we have a pretty significant grade kind of down this hill. So Amy and I will take this and sort of build maybe like a retaining wall or something off this end. I mean, all this wood's gonna come inside anyway once the shop's up, so we could easily take this and build that out. So, yeah. All right, wire mesh next. Keep it posted. The wire is down, ready for concrete. We're just filling in some areas. So apparently there's 2 different types of concrete trucks. Didn't know this. And we are getting 11 yards worth of concrete. So this building could possibly take up to 13. So we're filling a little bit more stone in some of the low areas to try and not have to pay for that additional. Basically, you'd have to bring out 2 different trucks. So that's what this stone on top of the plastic is. We also ran some conduit for some electric to run through the concrete. Not exactly sure if I'm going to do that. Plus, I don't know exactly where everything is going to shake out from a machine perspective. But it's better to do it now and then not do it. So it'll be there. Let's see. So concrete tomorrow. Tomorrow is the day we are getting concrete. This is pretty cool, which he said he's never done before. Again, AJD Builders. AJD Builders. They drove in these fasteners. See if that focuses a little bit. That might be better to see. So that the actual floor gets tied in to the structure itself, which I don't know if that's mandatory. I mean, it's 130 some odd year old building, but it's pretty freaking awesome, and it's a pretty clever idea. So that's all the way around into basically these first sort of bays. You can't probably see that, it's a little dark out right now. But that's pretty cool. What they were using to tie that in. So they'll just pour that out, leave the heads out for these. These headed with the same fasteners. There you go. That you basically put in under LPO beams. You can't see that. Maybe you can. I don't know. Oh, hold on. There's another one over here. Yeah, that might be the best one. Yeah, up there. So, I'm gonna get some, hopefully, some good video of the concrete, because that looks like it's gonna be super fucking cool. And then I think I'm gonna wrap. I have a couple other things that I want to do, but I'm gonna probably shoot them off on a separate video. So I apologize for I haven't posted in a little while, but there's just been a lot going on and then not a lot going on. So I just want to make sure that I had enough content to show you guys exactly sort of what I'm doing, and what our contractors are doing, so that maybe it'll help you out. So that's kind of where we are. Give you an update once the concrete floor's in, which will be tomorrow. And yeah, I know if you guys haven't subscribed, you're liking the series and whatnot, please feel free. We encourage you to subscribe, you know, keep you updated on what's going on with us. There'll be some build videos, and that's definitely why we're building the barn, is so I can build things. And I have a lot of stuff sort of in the pipe. But for right now, I thought this would be the first sort of great little kickoff series. So, subscribe, hit the bell, let you know when I post new videos, and we will keep them coming. Here we go. Concrete floors. So yesterday, contractor ran the conduit underneath, just to put some electrical if I decide to do that. I don't know exactly what I'm doing with electric yet, as far as where I want to position machines and everything, but it's there. It's better to have it than not have it. Wow. So yeah, see, it has like this nice like polish to it. So tomorrow I'll be actually in here. I'm going to be doing some so wherever you see, basically you see the outside through the inside, I'm going to be putting up some number 30 tar paper, and then we're just going to frame over that. But just so that, you know, rodents and bugs and everything don't get through here. That is another suggestion by our contractors, AJD Builders. But yeah, so concrete floor. I don't know how. I mean, it looks pretty awesome. Couple more. I mean, what? Couple more weeks. Framing can't take that long, I'm assuming. You know, I gotta talk about schedule, but then really it's insulation and electric. I also have these relief cuts in here just in case if this is gonna crack. That's hopefully where it will crack. The guy that was doing the concrete today said it's probably gonna crack anyway, but anyway. Wow. Wow. So, in previous videos, this is all, you could just straight up see the stone foundation here. And back down in here. Well, let's go outside real quick. I'm just curious if anything came through. Oh no, so they just wedged that. Yeah, look. That's already hard, yeah, I mean, that's solid. So they just put some additional stones into these gaps. You can see it just sealed itself off in there. I don't know if you can see that. So it just filled in the original stone foundation. That's cool. All right. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. We got some more work to do, and then we can get to some projects. Yeah. Remember to subscribe if you are interested. If not, you know, thanks for viewing this video. All right. Thanks, guys.